How to make longer reels on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can make reels up to 90 seconds on Instagram. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Instagram app. Then once you're in the app, tap on the plus sign at the top, and then tap on Reel. Now tap length on the left hand side. This will open a new menu with video length options. You can choose to make the length of your reel 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or even up to 90 seconds. 90 seconds is currently the maximum length for reel videos. As you can see, I don't actually have this option as it depends on your location and also if you've updated your Instagram app. But if you're in one of the locations where you can post 90-second reels, this is where you find it. So go ahead and check it out to see if this works for you. Then continue to post your reel in the usual way. And that's all it takes to make longer reels on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.